Good day everyone. Today I will show you the requirements of renewing your PRC ID online through Lyris account. Assuming that you already have Lyris account, you have to sign in. And actually I've done mine just for a day. Okay, so this is the result of my appointment, and then you can have it here. So this is my renewal form. And then you can see here all the requirements. First is the basic requirements, and it's obvious that number one is the proof of system generated signed application. Okay, this one, the one that I am reading. And then two is the CPD. Okay, CPD is still needed. And three is other document as may be prescribed by the professional regulatory law of the concerned profession, such as certificate of good standing. Okay, next is the additional requirements for OFW in lieu of CPD. So OFW don't need CPD. Okay, first is OEC if you have. Next, passport with working visa and a working permit. And then the contract if you have. And then identification card in your company overseas, and then residence permit, permit to stay in a foreign country, or other credible proofs of identity or status as OFP. But for me, I didn't give them all because it says any, only any. Okay, so I gave them the letter A, overseas, the OEC, the passport with working visa, and I also have work permit, so I gave it to them. And I also gave them my company ID. But for the contract I have, but I didn't give them, and the residence I have, but I didn't give them, but it's still okay. Next is the requirements for representative. If non-registered professional, any valid government-issued ID and special power of attorney duly executed individually by the applicant. But if it's registered professional, only the authorization letter and of course your professional identification card. And this time I will show you how to renew your PRC ID online. Okay, so Lyris account, click sign in, and then you sign in, and I'll say these are the advisories. You can read them when you open your account, and go to select transaction. Okay, and next, renewal. Then you select your profession. For me, a professional teacher, so I will look for professional teacher, and it is here. And then enter your PRC ID number, and it looks like this. Continue, and then it will appear like this. This is the amount that I have to pay, and then select the region. For me, I am from region 10, so I will look for region 10 and choose Cagayan de Oro. See, so it says it's the next day. Actually, they always give the next day, almost always, but for me it's always the next day with every time I try. Okay, and then put your, if you are employee or not, and then if it's private or public, and then the address, and then you choose, I choose GCash. Okay, and then that's it. You have to continue, and GCash will appear. They will ask for the GCash number, and then that's it.